We're at the dawn of a new world, a world where energy no longer comes from the bottom of a barrel, and the future is shaped by graphite. Today, graphite powers batteries, vehicles, entire continents. So much so that in the West, people are beginning to see graphite in a new light, as a means to boost manufacturing today and safeguard resources for tomorrow. That's why at Nouveau Monde Graphite, we're building one of the largest fully integrated natural graphite operations in North America. Our future graphite mine is a true gold mine of sustainability. From the Canadian bedrock to battery materials, extraction, processing, anode material production, ready to charge and ready to recharge. A fully integrated and unmistakably electric value chain designed to fuel growing industries at record speed. We've already proven we can deliver high-performance, carbon-neutral anode material. And we've secured key partnerships with governments, industry leaders, and major clients.
We've got life-size assets.
And a plan that's ready to go.
Our team is eager to serve you.
Together, let's power the energy revolution.